We are continuing to track the tropics, and we've been getting a little bit better of an idea of where we may see this heading.
Yeah, the models have not been too bad with this so far. Now the question is, how strong does it get, and does it get into western Louisiana where they've been kind of pointing at? And that's what we'll find out over the next couple of days. Still, though, for us, it's great news. It continues to move away. And in fact, at this point, this thing's over 300 miles from us and moving off towards the south and the west, or west-southwest at 9 miles per hour. So that's the good news. We're going to deal with this little flow on the backside. Most of the rain associated with it's here. This is a southerly flow that's warm and moist, and that's why we've had some extra showers. That number will come down a little bit, but as we heat up each day, we will see some scattered showers and storms. Now, the focus is on this center here. Actually, I think the center is right at about in there. And then that now is about 170 miles or so southeast of New Orleans, but the forecast track is going to do something just like this and come up into western Louisiana if it holds, and that's what we have to watch. The recon that went out there this afternoon, that is a great thing to have because that will go into the models, and the models should get a little bit more accurate as a result of having that data in there. So there's the track for now. I don't like to put the center line in there because what you need to know is the center could go anywhere in there. If you have friends or family in that area, they need to keep a close eye on it. May speed up in time a little bit. Right now, Friday night into Saturday, midday, a landfall. It's probably going to be midday Saturday for a landfall. Now, watches. These are hurricane watches in the pink here. That is a tropical storm watch. These will likely go to warnings first thing in the morning, tomorrow morning, basically meaning within 36 hours when you get a warning that type of wind is expected to be there. So certainly wind will be a little bit of an issue. This is storm surge, and this could be 3 to 6 feet. This is going to cause some problems. It's going to be highest probably out in here where the center goes, if that's where the center goes. But that's just water being pushed by the wind. Then you start talking about rain, and these rain bands will start to fill in, especially around the backside of the center, and that's really going to get the biggest problem for that area. Now, for us, as I mentioned, we're going to watch that southerly flow. That's what really will dictate our weather, but I don't think it's a huge deal for us. Look at the rainfall totals. 23, 24 inches, 2 feet of rain. Now, this is just a model, but this is from the European model, and you can see it slowly drifts northward through Monday into Tuesday. So it spreads all that rain out, not only Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, but that funnels back down in the Mississippi River, and that's going to come right back down towards New Orleans. This is going to be a major flooding issue all of next week and perhaps into the week after that. This is the GFS model. It's a little bit more to the east, so we'll have to see. I do think even places like Tennessee and North Georgia are going to get some decent rains from it.